Welcome back to the not study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you create your own live wallpaper in iOS 18. So simply guys, if you want to create your live wallpaper and you may want to put on your iPhone home screen or lock screen, so how can you do it? So first of all guys, what you have to do, you may click here on camera, and then guys, this is the option of live, so you may turn this on. So you may check this is live off, so you may click here and click here on live, and then guys you may capture any image from here. So let's check. Then you may go back and click here on settings, and then guys you may click here on wallpaper. So click here and click here on add new wallpaper, click here on live photo and click here on collection, and you may select that one. So click here and click here. So now you may wait. So now you may check as here you may turn on motion. So click here and you may click here on add, and then guys you may check your live wallpaper will be add here. So click here guys and now click here. Now guys you may go back and you may check. Then guys this motion was very slow, so you may change the motion of your picture, and you may check as your live wallpaper will be work properly. So by all this method you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.